In the ever-evolving theater of modern warfare, technological supremacy is not just a strategic advantage, it is a necessity. At the forefront of this relentless pursuit of innovation stands Lockheed Martin, one of the world's premier aerospace and defense corporations. Renowned for producing some of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history, including the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, Lockheed Martin has once again stepped into the spotlight with the unveiling of its new fighter jet, a next-generation platform designed to redefine air dominance for decades to come. This new fighter jet, currently referred to by its project name, is the culmination of years of classified development, cutting-edge research, and multi-billion-dollar investment into sixth-generation fighter technology. As adversaries grow more technologically advanced, stealthier, and increasingly integrated across multiple domains, the need for a platform that can operate effectively in highly contested environments has become more urgent than ever. Lockheed Martin's new fighter represents a dramatic leap in capability, not just in terms of speed, agility, and stealth, but also in how it leverages artificial intelligence, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare. At first glance, the aircraft's design echoes some of the features found in its predecessors, but with significant refinements that hint at its revolutionary nature. The airframe is sleek, with a blended wing-body configuration that minimizes radar cross-section and enhances aerodynamic performance. The jet employs adaptive cycle engines that provide unprecedented fuel efficiency, thrust, and thermal management, allowing it to operate for extended missions without sacrificing performance. Unlike previous jets, this new platform is designed with an open systems architecture, enabling seamless upgrades and integration with future technologies, ensuring that it remains at the cutting edge for years to come. One of the defining features of this next-generation fighter is its autonomy and AI integration. While it is fully capable of being flown by a pilot, the aircraft can also function autonomously or be operated remotely, allowing for a variety of mission profiles that reduce risk to human life. Onboard artificial intelligence assists the pilot with decision-making, threat analysis, and real-time mission adaptation, essentially serving as a co-pilot. This human-machine teaming allows for a level of situational awareness and operational flexibility that is unprecedented in aerial combat. The fighter's sensor suite is among the most advanced ever developed. It incorporates multi-spectral sensors capable of detecting and tracking targets across all domains: air, land, sea, space, and cyberspace. These sensors are fused into a single, comprehensive picture of the battlespace, which can be shared in real time with allied forces and command centers through secure data links. In combat, this capability allows the new jet to serve not just as a weapon platform, but as an intelligence and command hub that enhances the effectiveness of the entire force. Weapons systems aboard the new fighter include both traditional and next-generation armaments. In addition to carrying air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, the aircraft is designed to integrate directed energy weapons, such as high-energy lasers or microwave systems, in future upgrades. These capabilities would allow it to disable enemy electronics, intercept incoming threats, or neutralize targets without using kinetic force, offering strategic options that were once the realm of science fiction. Stealth, of course, remains a cornerstone of the aircraft's design. Building on the lessons learned from the F-22 and F-35 programs, Lockheed Martin has developed new radar-absorbent materials and internal structure designs that reduce detectability across a broader range of radar frequencies. Combined with electronic warfare capabilities and active decoys, the new fighter can operate deep within enemy territory with a significantly reduced risk of detection. In terms of operational roles, this fighter is not just an air superiority platform. It is a multi-role aircraft capable of conducting deep strike missions, electronic warfare, intelligence gathering, and even acting as a node in a larger network of manned and unmanned systems. It is built to operate in conjunction with drones and loyal wingman systems, which can perform reconnaissance, act as decoys, or even conduct precision strikes under the fighter's command. This ability to command and control a fleet of unmanned systems is one of the key elements that set this aircraft apart from any before it. The development of this jet has not occurred in a vacuum. It is part of the United States Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, a strategic initiative designed to ensure continued air superiority in the face of emerging threats from near-peer adversaries. Countries like China and Russia are developing their own advanced platforms, such as the J-20 and Su-57, but Lockheed Martin's latest innovation aims to stay a step ahead by incorporating flexibility, speed, and digital engineering from the ground up. The aircraft was digitally designed and simulated, allowing engineers to test thousands of configurations and mission profiles before a physical prototype was ever built. This accelerated development cycle has significantly reduced risk and cost while ensuring maximum performance. Testing of the aircraft is ongoing at secretive facilities across the United States. While much of its capabilities remain classified, insiders describe it as a paradigm shift in aerial warfare. Initial feedback from test pilots indicates that its handling characteristics are superior to those of any previous generation fighter, and its cockpit, or command interface, in the case of autonomous modes, is intuitive, allowing for unprecedented control and mission adaptation. The implications of Lockheed Martin's new fighter jet are vast. Not only will it bolster U.S. airpower and act as a deterrent against hostile nations, but it will also reshape Allied defense postures and military planning across the globe. With potential variants for naval and Allied use, and plans for long-term production into the 2040s and beyond, this aircraft will likely form the backbone of Western air forces for generations. Ultimately, Lockheed Martin's latest fighter is not just another aircraft, it is a flying ecosystem, a digital warfighter, and a glimpse into the future of combat. In a world where speed, data, and autonomy will define the victors, this new jet represents a bold leap forward, one that carries with it the promise of security, technological leadership, and continued dominance in the skies.